Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to use the Green Driving project. First we click the connect to Facebook button. Then we click on login, which take us to Facebook dialog box to enter our credentials. Now here we enter our credentials and the password. Once we hit login, it's going to process the information and it'll show a dialog box where it will ask us to remember the browser or not, like here. So you should hit save browser so that you can use it again and it doesn't ask you many times. This is a bit slow because we're using an emulator to do that. Once we save the browser, it takes us to a next page where Facebook will ask us to authorize the Green Driving app if not already authorized. So here you can see that I've already authorized the Green Driving app, so I can just click OK and move on. So go click OK and I go to the main menu. Now here, once I log in, my ID shows up and this shows that we have logged in. Now we go back, we hit connect to device where we start with the main software functions. We hit start to collect the driver data. We hit stop to stop collecting driver data for a specific period of time. Click device menu, which takes us to the main options. We hit populate to populate the database of the system. Populate again one more time. Then we hit show to show you the database. So it has all the details, your user ID and everything. Then it has the functionality to graph. So now we go graph and I can graph daily, weekly and monthly. So I'm going to show you daily. Since I'm showing it for a video, I just have one set of data for 17th April and I hit submit. It's going to show me of an hourly graph of what my RPM was at that time for this video purpose. This is going to be the similar for week and month. I'm going to show you how a week looks. Now since we are 17th April, it's in the third week. We are using weeks of month and not of the year. And the same thing for month, I'm just not showing it here. Now what we do is we hit export to web so that it goes to the central database on the internet. We hit export data. And this has transferred everything to a central database. Now we open a web browser and we type in greendriving.co. Now this page opens up. We have 5 options: home, leaderboard, graph, feedback, and about us. Now we go ahead and click login, which will ask for Facebook credentials. This is because even the app uses it, so it maintains the identity of the user. So now I give in my password and save browser again, same like the app. And just a bit, it's a slow website, and then the pops up my photo of my friends who are using this app, all our data for each individual who has uploaded their data to the website, a logout button, a like and share button. Now we go and see the leaderboard. Now due to security issue, we have to use login again and again. We just don't need to type it, just need to click it to carry the session over. Now here we see our friend leaderboard and the universal leaderboard. Friend is just my friend and universal is everyone who uses this app regardless of whether they are your friends or not. We can graph it either weekly or monthly. So there's a list of weeks and we have the list of months. Now we'll select a week to see how the graph turns out. We select any random week, and these weeks are the week for which data is there in the database. So we hit submit and it shows a graph, it shows the data as well for that week. Now we'll try and graph one more to get a better picture. So we select another week, this one, and hit submit. So it creates a new graph with the data for that week. It's a bit slow. Here we see the graph. Yeah, it looks a bit funny. Then there's a feedback where it's directly connected to Facebook, and you can type your feedback and it'll show on your Facebook and it'll come to us. So I love this application. Is my feedback and I comment. And you can also post on your Facebook wall if you allow it to. Lastly, we have About Us, which redirects you to our project website. It was actually sponsored by Dr. Joshua, who wanted to get this application made. That is our project for senior design. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.